Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Capitec Top Up Voucher. So let's get started. So start by opening the Capitec app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap the Transact option at the bottom, then scroll down and select Buy. Next, tap History at the top of the screen to view your previous purchases. Find your top-up voucher and open it to display the voucher PIN and other details. Keep in mind that each voucher can only be used once and is valid for supported networks such as Capitec Connect, MTN, Cell C, or Telcom, depending on the voucher you purchased. To redeem it, dial the Recharge USSD code for your mobile network, enter the voucher PIN when prompted, and complete the process. Once it is accepted, the airtime or data will be credited to your number immediately. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.